Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Supabase Storage signed URLs step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing Supabase Storage signed URLs, ensure you have your Supabase project set up. Begin by logging into your Supabase dashboard. Navigate to the storage section on the left panel. Create a new storage bucket if you don't have one already. Upload a file to your bucket for testing purposes. Open your project's API settings in Supabase. Locate your project's URL and the public API key. Next, set up the Supabase client in your application. Install the Supabase library if you haven't already. For JavaScript applications, use npm or yarn to add the library. Import the Supabase client in your code. Initialize the Supabase client with your project URL and API key. To generate a signed URL, use the createSignedURL method from the Supabase client. Provide the bucket name and the file path as parameters to this method. Also, set the expiration time for your signed URL. Call the method and handle the response. If successful, you will receive a signed URL. Use this URL to perform the desired action on the file. You can share the signed URL securely with users who need access. Remember to keep your API keys private and secure. Test the signed URL to ensure it works as intended. Confirm that the permissions are set correctly in your storage settings. This ensures only authorized users can access the file. Once completed, you've successfully authorized with Supabase Storage signed URLs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.